Hello, this is Michael Price from Inward Revenue. I'm here to talk to you about a sales role that I'm recruiting for. The company is a UK-based owner-managed business, and that is very important because what these guys are doing, and I'll come on to it in more detail, but they're a software development house, and as you may or may not know, a lot of the software development market is delivered offshore, nearshore, essentially by people who aren't based in the UK. And that's fine, but there are some prospects who want to deal with software developers who are based in the UK for a variety of reasons. And actually to find a company who are like that is quite rare, and these guys are. And they're on the edge, I think, of the next phase of mega growth. I know the owner-manager really well. I've dealt with him all the time that business has been going. And they're just at that point where they've got some big deals, they've got some good names, they've got some good reference sites, where you think these guys are they're in a good place, but they're ready to absolutely fly. And as I said, really the primary sale here is software development services. So finding somebody who's got a need that can be met through the development of a piece of software and selling the resource and the manpower to actually do that. They are also a low-code vendor, and I think that's quite important. You know, the low-code market is growing rapidly. For those of you who know me and have dealt with me in the past, you know that's an area of focus. And I think anybody in that software development market, they've got to be very careful and wary and cautious of and embrace low-code software. The role is new business sales. It's all about strategy. This is not a phone bashing job. And when I spoke to the guy I'm dealing with, and I said, so let's say I joined, which I often say, and I wanted to run a campaign and I wanted some budget to do that, maybe some LinkedIn budget or some marketing budget. Can I do that? And he categorically said yes. He said, I really want somebody who's going to think about this from a strategy perspective in terms of how they're going to generate new business leads. What they're looking for is somebody who understands business. He said that they do very well because he is able to talk to people about the material difference that software development has on their business, and somebody who's got the acumen around that, somebody who's able to plan new business campaign, and somebody who's used to selling to an undeveloped need. He said very often they speak to prospects, they know they've got a problem, but they don't really know what it is, and therefore their need isn't quite as developed as it would be to make it easier for them to sell. Package 80k basic, double OTE. If you're interested, you can come back to me through this medium. You can call me 07908 594 926, or you can email me michael@inwardrevenue.co.uk.